and welcome to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do product reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing all of these biker shorts from Surprise. So if you're looking for a certain color or just want biker shorts in general, this is the place to get it 100%. They have literally all the colors that you could ever wish for. So let's just check out the red one first. So basically this is the front. It's quite seamless actually. There's a nice thick band to hold the belly in. Front there is literally, it is dual layered. So that, wicks away the sweat, which is nice actually. That way you don't get like sweat stains when you're working out. Oh, I like that detail. And then the back over here covers right down to the butt. And I like that there is this extra little band to hold your butt in so it doesn't fall out, which sometimes mine does. So yeah, I like that little detail right there. I wonder if that's on all of their shorts. But other than that, it's just a plain old, really simple, but very efficient, as I said, dual layered shorts. But they also have tons of biker shorts, like whatever length you want, they got, and whatever color you want, they got. So if you want to check them out, you can check out the link below. I mean, to go to their store and see whatever sizes, colors, etc. But let me open up another one to see what it looks like. So this is their royal blue color. Same thing, nice thick band, dual layered. They seem to like all be the same. Brown. This one is their black, hot pink, dark blue, or dark red color. So all the colors match up really nicely in terms of the color is what they say it's gonna be. So yeah, so let me just go ahead and try them on. All right, so with a normal shirt on, it basically falls at, it's like a really, really short shorts. I like that it doesn't squish me like super bad over here. It just it's just like normal shorts. It goes up over here. This goes up to there. Yeah, in general, these are all, really quality made. I would recommend these. I would recommend these shorts if you're just, put something on, great for working out. Let's see. If you're interested in checking out the shorts and seeing what else they have, check out the link below. For more product reviews, continue watching and make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you think about these shorts, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye.